Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to use multiple Roblox account on your mobile device. This is useful if you want to switch between accounts without losing progress. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your phone and then here tap the three dots at the bottom right corner and scroll down and tap Log Out. Now, on the login screen, enter the username and password for your second Roblox account and tap Login. And to switch back, simply log out again and re-enter your other account credentials. And for faster switching, you can also install Roblox on a second app space if you have or supports the dual apps or app cloner. And this way, you can stay logged into the accounts at once. And that's it. Now you know how to use multiple accounts in Roblox Mobile. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe and don't forget to comment. Thanks for watching!